kids, how are you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter second, role of government in healthy. Okay, so let's just start now this chapter kids. Good health is actively and purposeful. जो good health होता है वो actively होता है और purposeful होता है. Behaving in way that leave you stronger. तुम्हें मजबूत बनाने में सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस होता है. बेटर न्यूरिस्ड जिसे हम अच्छा महसूस कर सकते हैं. लेस स्ट्रेस कोई बिना चिंता के एंड मोर कंफर्टेबल इन योर बॉडी एंड माइंड से हम अपने बॉडी और माइंड से हम कंफर्टेबल महसूस करते हैं यदि हम हेल्दी और फिट होते हैं. गुड हेल्थ इज मोर देन नॉट बीइंग सिक. जब हमारा हेल्थ अच्छा होगा तो हमें कोई बीमारी नहीं पकड़ सकती. व्हेन यू आर हेल्दी, जब तुम हेल्दी होते हो यू एंजॉय मैनी बेनिफिट्स. तुम इसकी बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स एंजॉय कर सकते हो. गुड हेल्थ इज प्रोसेसिंग द एनर्जी. जो गुड हेल्थ से हमें क्या एनर्जी बढ़ती है. एंड मोटिवेटिंग टू सीक द थिंग्स यू मोस्ट वांट विदाउट द डिस्ट्रैक्शन और द स्ट्रेस ऑफ इलनेस. और बिना स्ट्रेस लिए हम कोई भी कार्य आसानी से कर सकते हैं. गुड हेल्थ इज बीइंग हार्डली. जो गुड हेल्थी होता है वो बहुत ज्यादा हार्डली होता है. एंड साउंड इन बॉडी एंड माइंड. जो हमारी बॉडी और माइंड को फिट रखता है. इफ यू आर गुड हेल्थ, यदि तुम सही रहोगे तो यू आर एबल टू एंजॉय टू ऑल गुड थिंग्स. तो तुम सभी चीजों को अच्छे से एंजॉय कर सकते हो इन द लाइफ विदाउट गिल्टी और शेम बिकॉज यू आर सेटिस्फाइड. और तुम इससे बहुत ज्यादा संतुष्ट हो सकते हो एंड कॉन्फिडेंट हो सकते हो इन योर एबिलिटी के लिए टू मॉडरेट योर बिहेवियर के लिए. ओके, गुड हेल्थ इज बीइंग फ्री ऑफ एडिक्शन एंड द कंपल्शंस. ओके, चलिए टाइप्स ऑफ हेल्दी हैं. मेंटल एंड फिजिकल हेल्थ आर टू मोस्ट कॉमनली डिस्कस्ड हेल्दी ऑफ टाइप्स ऑफ हेल्दी. यहाँ तक कि मेंटल फिजिकल हेल्थ क्या है वो हमारे दो मुख्य रूप से हेल्थ पर आधारित होते हैं. वी ऑल्सो टेक अबाउट स्पिरिचुअल हेल्दी, जिससे हम स्पिरिचुअल हेल्दी के बारे में जैसे जानते हैं. इमोशनल हेल्दी एंड द फाइनेंशियल हेल्दी अमॉन्ग अदर्स. दीज हैव ऑल्सो बीन लिंक टू लोअर स्ट्रेस लेवल. यहाँ तक कि वह एक लोअर स्ट्रेस लेवल होता है एंड मेंटल एंड फिजिकल वेल बीइंग होता है. चलिए पढ़ते हैं किड्स हम फिजिकल हेल्थ के बारे में. इन अ पर्सन हु एक्सपीरियंस फिजिकल हेल्थ, एक व्यक्ति जिसे अनुभव है फिजिकल हेल्थ का. बॉडी फंक्शंस आर वर्किंग एट पीक परफॉर्मेंस. की बॉडी फंक्शंस कैसे अच्छी तरह से कर सकती है ड्यू टू ओनली टू लैक ऑफ डिसीज. बिना बीमारी के शरीर में जाए हम कैसे अपनी बॉडी के फंक्शंस को कैसे इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं, कैसे उसे बेटर बना सकते हैं, वह वही जानता है जो फिजिकल हेल्थ में एक्सपीरियंस्ड हो. बट ऑल्सो टू रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज. उसके लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए, नियमित रूप से एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए, बैलेंस न्यूट्रिशन करना चाहिए एंड एडुकेट रेस्ट करना चाहिए. वी रिसीव ट्रीटमेंट. यहाँ तक कि हमें समय समय पर जांच करानी चाहिए. वह नेसेसरी टू मेंटेन द बैलेंस, जिससे हमारे बैलेंस व्यवस्था शरीर की बनी रहे. फिजिकल वेलबींग इन्वॉल्व्स परस्यूइंग ए हेल्थफुल लाइफस्टाइल टू डिक्रीज द रिस्क ऑफ द डिसीज. यदि हम इन सब चीजों को नहीं करते हैं तो हम जल्दी ही जैसे बीमार होते हैं तो हमारा जो शरीर का इम्बैलेंस्ड होता है वो शरीर का जो बैलेंस होता है वो इम्बैलेंस्ड होना शुरू हो जाता है. मेंटेनिंग फिजिकल फिटनेस, उसके लिए हमें जरूरी सबसे पहले अपने आप को फिजिकल फिटनेस रखना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैन प्रोटेक्ट इन द डेवलप द एंड्योरेंस ऑफ द पर्सन ब्रीथिंग एंड हार्ट फंक्शंस, मस्कुलर स्ट्रेंथ एंड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड द बॉडी कंपोजिशंस. ओके, फिजिकल हेल्थ एंड द वेल-बीइंग आल्सो हेल्प इन द रिड्यूसिंग द रिस्क ऑफ इंजरी एंड हेल्थ इश्यूज. यहाँ तक कि जब हम फिजिकल हेल्थ करते हैं तो हमें ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि कहीं हमारे शरीर में कोई भी इंजरी या हेल्थ इश्यूज ना हो. एग्जाम्पल इंक्लूडिंग मिनिमाइज हैजर्ड इन द वर्क प्लेस, प्रैक्टिसिंग सेफ सेक्स, practicing good hygienic or the avoiding the use of tobacco, alcohol or illegal drugs. Okay, चलिए आगे है mental health. Mental health refers to the person emotional. Mental health किसको रेफर किया जाता है? व्यक्ति के इमोशंस पर, सोशल पर और साइकोलॉजिकल वेलबींग्स पर। मेंटल हेल्थ इज एन इम्पोर्टेंस एज फिजिकल हेल्थ फॉर अ फुल एक्टिव लाइफ लेसन। इट इज हार्डर टू डिफाइन मेंटल हेल्थ। यदि हमें कोई कार्य करने में परेशानी होती है तो हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ जो होती है वो और भी ज्यादा डल होनी शुरू हो जाती है देन द फिजिकल हेल्थ के। Because in many cases, diagnosis depend on the individual preparations of their experience with improvement in testing. However, some signs of some types of mental illness are now becoming visible in CT scan and genetic testing. यहाँ तक कि मेंटली हेल्थ को चेक करने के लिए क्या तैयार किया गया? विजिबल इन सीटी स्कैन या फिर जेनेटिक टेस्टिंग, जिससे पता चल जाता है कि हमारा मेंटली पावर है या फिर नहीं है। मेंटल हेल्थ इज नॉट ओनली द एब्सेंस ऑफ द डिप्रेशन। मेंटल हेल्थ बिना डिप्रेशन के नहीं हो सकता एंड एग्जिस्ट और द अनदर डिसऑर्डर के। इट आल्सो डिपेंड ऑन द एबिलिटी टू, नंबर फर्स्ट है, उससे बचने के लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए? एंजॉय लाइफ, बाउंस बैक आफ्टर डिफिकल्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस, अचीव बैलेंस एंड द अडप्ट टू एडवर्सिटी। ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट है फील सेफ एंड सिक्योर, अचीव योर potential. Physical and the mental health are linked. It chronic illness affect a person's ability to complete their regular tasks. This may lead to the depressions and the stresses. For example, due to money problems. A mental illness such as a depression or the anorexia nervosa can affect the body weight and functions. It is important to approach healthy as a whole rather than its different types. Okay? चलिए फैक्टर्स फॉर द गुड हेल्थ के हैं। हेल्थ डिपेंड्स ऑन अ वाइड रेंज ऑफ फैक्टर्स। अ पर्सन इज बोर्न विद अ रेंज ऑफ genes and in the some people an unusually genetic pattern can lead to a less than optimum level of health. कुछ लोगों का जो जन्म होता है और उसमें जो कुछ बीमारी कुछ होती है वो जेनेटिक भी होती है, क्योंकि वो जिस जेनी में जन्म होता है उसकी जेनेटिक बीमारी उसके अंदर होते ही आ जाती है। Environmental factors plays an important role. Sometimes the environment alone is enough to impact health. Other times an environment trigger can cause illness in a person who is genetic susceptible. Access to the healthcare plays a role, but the WHO suggests that the following factors may have a bigger impact on the healthy than this. Okay, चलिए, where a person lives, number second है the state of the surrounding environment, number third genetic, income, educational level, relationship with friends and family. Next, these can be summarized as the social and the economic environment, including how wealthy a family or a community is. Next, the physical environment, including parasites that exist in an area or political levels. The person characterized in behaviors, including the genes that a person is born with and their lifestyle choices. According to the WHO guide, the higher a person's socio-economic status, the more likely they are to enjoy good health, a good education, a well-paid job, afford good health care when their health is threatened. People with a lower socio-economic status are more likely to experience stress related to the daily livings, such as financial difficulties, material disruptions, and the unemployment, as well as the social factors such as the marginalizations and the discriminations. All these adds to the risk of the poor health. चलिए, a low social economic status often mean less access to the healthcare. People in the developed countries with universal healthcare services have longer life expectancies than people in the developed countries without universal healthcare. ओके चलिए कल्चर इश्यूज कैन अफेक्टेड हेल्थ है the tradition and the custom of the society and the family response to them can have a good or bad impact on health. For example, around the Mediterranean, people are more likely to the consume high level of fruits. जो मेडिटेरियन सी के जो लोग हैं मुख्य रूप से जो कंज्यूम करते वो करते फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स एंड ऑलिव्स एंड टू ईट एज अ फैमिली कंपेयर्ड विद कल्चर्स with the high consumption of the fast food. Okay, चलिए how a person manages stress will affect healthy people who smoke, drink or take drugs to forget their problems are likely to have more healthy problems later than someone who combats stress through a healthful diet and experiences. Okay, चलिए next है men and the women are prone to different health factors. In societies where women are less than men are less educated, they may be a greater risk than men for poor health. Next है healthcare services in India. Here are the some facts that will be give you an idea of the present state of the health services in India. Number first है India has the world largest number of the medical colleges. क्या है सबसे ज्यादा largest medical colleges हैं and number of the medical professionals are qualifying every year. Next है India is one of the world largest producers and the biggest exporters of medicines. There is a considerable increase in the healthcare facilities. Next, a large number of medical tourists visit India every year for treatment. They get treatment in the world-class and high-end hospitals. On the other hand, there are the some facts regarding the status of the healthcare in our country that gives a completely different pictures. चलिए आगे हैं almost half of the children are undernourished as they do not get adequate nutritious food to eat. Very big amount of the population is unable to get clean drinking water leading to waterborne diseases. For example हैं diarrhea, hepatitis and the cholera. चलिए approximately half a million people dies from tuberculosis every year. प्रत्येक साल tuberculosis से लगभग मिलियन लोगों की मृत्यु हो जाती है. Malaria is also other diseases which has not been brought under control. Around 2 million people suffer from malaria every year. Compared to urban area and the rural areas suffer from lack of sound healthcare facilities. The ratio of the qualified medical practitioner and the population is very low there. People have to travel long distance to reach health specialist and something poor transport and communications facility cause delay in treatment and the people die from minor or curable diseases only because they don't get prompt and timely treatment. Though we have a large number of the doctors, clinics and hospitals, money, knowledge and experiences where we are unable to provide necessary healthcare facilities to all peoples. Okay, चलिए categories of the healthcare services में है public healthcare services. Number first, every state government has healthcare centers in village and multi-specialist hospitals in large metros which provide free or the low cost health care facilities such as treatment of diseases, conducting an dental test and providing medicines. Okay, चलिए. Its main function is to prevent the spreading of the dislikes like tuberculosis, polio, malaria, jaundice, dengue, of the chikungunya. The pulses polio campaign by the government is one such plan is which all children below the age of 5 years are given polio drops free of cost by health workers all over the country. यहाँ तक कि देश ने देश में 5 साल से नीचे बच्चों के लिए पोलियो अभियान चलाया गया, जिसमें फ्री में पोलियो की ड्रॉप दी जाती थी, जिससे लोगों को पोलियो से मुक्त कराया जा सके. The reality is that in the both urban and rural area, people prefer to pay and available better services by private doctors rather than using free treatment at public health centers due to the following reasons. Number first है better medical attentions and a cleaner environment. The doctors are well qualified and willing to spend more time with patients. Okay, चलिए. Next है even the poor prefer to go to the private hospitals in the hope of better and the faster treatment. Next है private healthy service. In the rural and the urban areas, doctors run their own private clinics, hospital in the nourishing homes providing specialized. यहाँ तक कि कुछ डॉक्टर्स होते हैं जो अपनी प्राइवेट क्लिनिक खोल लेते हैं. Services are also privately owned. Many laboratories that offers special facilities such as the ultrasound, MRI, X-ray, etc. are also there. Many chemist shop are also there. From there we can buy medicines. Okay. Chile, the private healthcare facilities are not controlled by the government. In private facilities में patient जो होता है have to pay a lot of money for the tests and the treatments. Therefore, it is not possible for the poor people to get the treatment done at the private hospitals. Next है the role of government का. It is the responsibility. यह सबसे ज़्यादा responsibility है of the government की to improve the infrastructure resources, which includes the availability of the water, electric grid, telecommunications, road, etc. The central government allocates, जो central government allocates करती है budget to state government का for these functions के. The Planning Commission of the India, among its various functions, formulates a plan for the most effective and balanced utilizations of the country resources. Every state has its own state planning commissions. The State Planning Commission, in addition to other functions, is primarily responsible for given necessary supports to all the urban local bodies. Okay, so it is the responsibility of the government to the prevent and treat illness, provide proper health facilities like health centers, hospitals, laboratories for testing, ambulance services, blood banks, and so on. All peoples, these services should be within the reach of the every patient of the remotest corners. Okay, chili. Next, Kerala experience. In 1996, 40% of the state budget was given to panchayat so that they can plan and provide the requirement. Due to this, proper planning was done for water, food, women's development, and the education. Okay. This meant that water supply schemes were checked, the working of the schools and the Anganwadis were ensured, and the specific problems of the village were raised and the solved. Healthcare centers were also improved. All of these had to improve the situation, but some problems such as storage of medicines, insufficient hospital bed, fewer doctors remained and are needed to be addressed. Okay, चलिए. Healthcare and the equality है. India health system faces the ongoing changes of the responding to the needs of the most disadvantaged members of the Indian society. Despite of the progress in the improving access to healthcare, inequalities by social economic status, geography, and the gender continues to the persist. This is the compounded by high out-of-the-pocket expenditures with the rising financial burden of the healthcare falling overwhelming on the private households, which account for more than 3/4 of the health spending in India. Health expenditures are responsible for more than half of the Indian household falling into poverty. The impact of this has been increasing, pushing around 39 million Indians into poverty each year. In this paper, we identify key challenges to equality in service delivery and equality in financing and the financial risk protection in India. These included imbalanced resources allocation, limited physical access to the quality health services, and educated human resources for health, high out of the pocket health expenditures, health spending inflations, and behavioral factors that affect the demand for appropriate health care. Complementing other papers, in this series, we argue for the application of certain principles in the pursuit of the equality in the healthcare in India. These are the adoption of the equality metrics in the monitoring, evaluations, and the strategy planning, investment in developing a rigorous knowledge base of healthy system research, development of the more equality focused process of the deliberative decision making in the healthy reform and the redefinition of the specific responsibles and the accountables of key factors. The implement of these principles together with strengthening of public health in the primary care services provide an approaches for encouraging more equitable healthy care for India's population. Okay, चलिए नाउ फिर रीड करते हैं हम केस स्टडी किसकी HINI का नागालैंड प्रिपेयर्ड बट नॉट रेडी. ओके चलिए दीमापुर अगस्त 7 दाहिनी वायरस आया swine flu has the entire country on the jittery and no less the worried Nagaland state health. यहाँ तक कि जैसे 7 अगस्त को जब हिनी अर्थात स्वाइन फ्लू की शुरुआत की गई जो नागालैंड से शुरू की गई थी, जो नागालैंड के जो राज्य हेल्थ थे, Allied Department are engaged in setting the needful health measures against the alignment. उन्होंने इसके प्रति कार्य करनी शुरू की कि स्वाइन फ्लू को रोका जा सके. These measures included mobilizing rapid response teams, जिसको नाम दिया RTT, setting in isolation wards and the issuing public healthcare alerts to constant periods. In other words, time ineffectives in the event virus or suspected cases and the start surfacing. For instance, it would take at least 4 days for samples to be sent out to be tested and the result returned. यहाँ तक कि जल्द से जल्द अधिक से अधिक वायरस ना फैले उसको कंट्रोल करने के लिए उसका परीक्षण किया गया जिसका रिजल्ट लगभग 4 दिनों के अंतराल पर ही दिया गया. The duration for the swine flu to the origin, according to the medical health information capsules, it's 4 and 5 days. यहाँ तक कि उस स्वाइन फ्लू से बचने के लिए लोगों में 4 से 5 दिन के अंतराल पर ही मेडिसिन प्रोवाइड कराई गई. On their parts, the Healthy and the Family Welfare Development and Sister Department, the Veterinary and the Animal Husbandry, and 4 now lying seas workers to the container Hina. इन सभी को mostly स्वाइन फ्लू के बारे में बताया गया. Yet for a virus that boasts of a self-explanatory history of the death and the widespread panic, the primary worry factors for the state are one too many. The state has no facilities. State में जो कोई facility नहीं थी diagnose the virus की इस वायरस को रोकने के लिए the time transporting suspected cases धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे समय बढ़ता जा रहा था तो उसमें ब्लड सैंपल्स लिए जाने लगे आउटकम द स्ट्रीट थिंग्स जिससे कि लोगों के शरीर की पता चल सके कि उनमें वायरस है या फिर नहीं. टेक ऑफ द पब्लिक मॉनिटरिंग mechanism for the entrance of the airport and the railway station and public health company to mobilize awareness and the public activities of the society level. यहाँ तक कि सभी लोगों को जागरूक करने के लिए रेलवे स्टेशन, बस, ट्रक आदि जो पब्लिक प्लेसेस है उन पर इस वायरस की जानकारी दी जाने लगी. ओके, चलिए आगे है. A number of the doctors from the state who are engaged in the current contractive efforts were the connected. Attempts continue to be made to connect the Nagaland Healthy and the Family Welfare Ministers and the Veterinary and the Animal Husbandry Ministers, but they are yet to return to take calls made to them by this daily. State Nodal Officer Dr. Madhurka said the centers has assured the state would be provided with scanners within the cases reported. It was also reported earlier that the state also lack a critical piece of equipment called the thermal scanner. This piece is used to monitor and scan body temperature and used mostly in the populated places like airports, railway stations. Still, it was assumed that the centers would provide for the equipment within 48 hours of any reported case. चलिए, over the matter of the diagnosis facilities that Nagaland lacks, Dr. Madhurka said, even in the entire country, there are only about 4 centers that have the capacity to diagnose the virus. Even large states like Uttar Pradesh and Bihar don't have any, leave alone Nagaland. Samples are normally sent to earlier Delhi to Pune be tested. He said the time it would take for the one to send for intense through courier and receive the result would be about 4 days. चलिए, also some current requirements of the healthy departments की हैं. Engaged in the mobilizing measure were spelled out. They include mobile efforts and the movement for medical personnel in the course of their monitoring activities across the state. It was also informed by the sources that a proposal was submitted earlier to the state government. Interestingly, there has yet to be any response for now. We need support for the state government. A doctor said we are still waiting. The source added. Okay, चलिए. Healthy departmental issues, do's and the don'ts. Mount Express News. The view of the Hini flu pandemic. The health department today issues for the public steps that are to now be taken in the case of the suspected Hini flus, mean swine flu infections. Next is symptoms of the Hini flu. The symptoms are similar to the regular human seasonal flu like fever, lathering, cough and lack of the appetite. Some people have also reported running nose, sore throat, noises, vomiting and the diarrhea. चलिए, who should be as suspected of having Hini flu या फिर swine flu? A person with acute febrile respiratory illness, यदि उसका फीवर 38 डिग्री से नीचे was onset with 7 days of the close contact with the person who is the confirmed case of the Hini flu. With 7 days of travel to the area where there are no one and more confirmed influenza cases. Okay, what should one of the do suspected to having Hini flu? तो आंसर है contact the nearest government district hospital where facilities are available for management. Okay, now kids, this chapter will be completed. I hope that you understood well. Thank you. Have a nice day.